don't know. The morning the dad got sick, I've been thinking.
You know where you want to land?
Yeah.
It's good to be in something from the ground floor. I came too late for that. I know. But lately I'm getting the feeling that I came in at the end. The best is over.
Many Americans, I think, feel that way.
I think about my father. He never reached the heights like me. But in a lot of ways, he had it better. He had his people. They had their standards. They had pride. Hey, what do we got?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo. Ooh, wrong spot. Whoa. Wow. Oh my goodness, the view. Whoa, 360 degrees. Whoa. Wow.